Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 13th of June. The euro edged higher to 126.10 from 124.73, but the single currency remains under pressure as investors are preparing for the crucial Greek election at the weekend. The Greeks will decide whether they want to stay in the euro as Syriza, the leftish party, opposes austerity measures, while the New Democracy Party backs the bailout package. Worries about Spain's banking sector and its rising government bond yields continue to weigh on the single currency also. Further weighing on risk sentiment in the market is the sharp rise in German bonds, raising fears that the deepening debt crisis in the Eurozone is spreading to the Eurozone's largest economy, Germany. Credit rating agency Moody's cut the credit rating of Spain, while Cyprus was downgraded by 2 notches, increasing concerns that it may be the next country to seek for financial aid. Focus now turns to Italy as it's due to sell up 4.5 billion euros of government bonds today, where a lower demand may trigger a rise in its borrowing costs. The US dollar weakened on expectations the Federal Reserve could embark on a third round of quantitative easing to support the ailing economy. Versus the safe haven Japanese yen, the greenback edged lower to 79.29 from 79.74 as investors remain cautious that the Bank of Japan may step in the markets to weaken the yen. Focus turns to the US inflation data due later today, as well as initial jobless claims data. The British pound plummeted against the dollar to 154.72 from 155.97, weighed by a heightened risk aversion in the market. Against the sterling, euro gained, jumping to 0.8119 from 0.8022. Looking at commodities, oil edged lower to $81.97 from $83.98. Gold jumped to $1,624.30 from $1,605.67, and against the euro, it went slightly higher to €1,287.84 from €1,287.42. Silver edged higher to $29.11 from $28.75. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point at 125.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 125.25. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 79.75 with a preference to enter into short positions at 79.75. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 1 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 154.95 with a preference to enter into long positions at 154.95. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 102.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.30. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 82.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 82.15. The gold pivot point is at 1606 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1606. And the silver pivot point is at 28.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 28.60. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. On the calendar, the market movers are the EU Consumer Price Index forecast to come out at 0.2%. US Consumer Price Index forecast to gain 1.8%, and US initial jobless claims forecast to fall to 375,000. Now on to equities. In Europe, the FTSE was up 0.18%, the DAX was down 0.14%, and the CAC was down 0.55%. In the US, the SP 500 was down 0.70%, and the Dow was down 0.62%. In Asia, at the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 0.22%, and the Hang Seng was down 0.69%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.